Okay, guys, I think this is a good place to actually end the stream and continue this game next time. But you know what? You know what time it is? Huh? 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 You know what time it is? Joke time! Hey! Welcome to Joke time! For those pen pals who are here for the first time, Joke time is my original comedy section where I prepare 4 jokes for us to, laugh and enjoy. I mean, if it's not funny, you don't have to laugh, but I intended to be a moment where we can just, chuckle and have a good time. And with this 4 joke, you can choose your favorite joke and I will tweet it. Alright, guys. では, first joke. Ba-bam. Have you got anything to drink? I have water. I was thinking about something harder. I have ice. This will be totally my response, actually. Have you got anything to drink? I have water. I was thinking about something harder. I have ice. Alright, second joke. Ba-bam. What did the mayonnaise say when the refrigerator door opened? What did the mayonnaise say when the refrigerator door was opened? Oh. Close the door. I'm dressing! I'm dressing! I'm dressing! Get it, get it. Alright. Amelia, Pina! Alright, third joke. Ba-bam. Did you know the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? Da-dun! It is because they were cooked in Greece. In Greece. They were cooked in Greece. Greasy Greece. Or in the grease. Oof. Pina, stop. Alright. And the fourth one. Ba-bum. That one hurt? Sorry. The past, present, and future walked into a bar. Oh. No! You guys didn't see that. The past, present, and future walked into a bar. It was tense. It was intense. Oh, okay. では, joke time, vote time. You get to choose your favorite joke. So the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Alright, 相変わらずのクオリティで安心した。One day Pina will fall out of her chair laughing. I think so. I think so. Alright. These are all good? Better than last time? Yay! I'm dying. Please help her. Sorry. Love these jokes. Yay! New Year's Eve special. Pina tries pinning Ori against Raymond to see who is the best, the original or the copycat. No, I wrote the wrong one. Oh no! You're... Oh no, Gavit, you wrote the wrong one. Coffee, so good. I swear, sometimes the poll votes wrong. I tried to vote for one, but it gave me 2. Oh no! Really? Oh no. I guess it's the curse. It's the curse of the poll. Oh no. These are great. Yay! Alright guys, I'll give you guys 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ba-bam. End poll. This poll was rigged. I hope it's not rigged. I hope it's not. I hope it's not. Is it Suzanne? I mean Susan? The winner is number 2. Alright, let me tweet this. Joke time. Vote time. Winner is... It's been a while since the last joke time. What did the mayonnaise say when the refrigerator door was opened? Close the door! I'm dressing! Hashtag Pina puns. Tweet. Alright guys, thank you so much for participating in my joke time. And see you guys soon. I will be doing super chat reading. Bye bye. I'll be back, okay? I promise. Mwah.